Hello everyone. Curious about what is trending on Instagram and how you can leverage these trends to grow your business? Well, Instagram has become a powerful platform for marketing with over 2 billion active users who are eager to engage with fresh creative content. But how do you cut through the noise and make sure your post capture attention and drive results? In this guide, we will dive deep into what is currently trending on Instagram and provide a step-by-step content strategy that will help you plan and execute high-performing posts. So from carousel posts to Instagram stories to Instagram reels and influencer partnerships, we've got all the strategies you need to succeed. So buckle up, because by the end of this article, you will be ready to dominate Instagram marketing. So first thing first, what exactly is Instagram marketing? Right? So Instagram marketing actually refers to the use of Instagram to promote products, services or brands. It involves creating compelling content that connects with your brand's image and engages your target audience. So Instagram offers various formats for marketing, including photos, videos, stories, reels, IGTV and more. So businesses can also use Instagram ads to reach a wider audience. So the goal of Instagram marketing is to build brand awareness, increase customer engagement, drive traffic to your website, and ultimately boost sales. So the next question that comes to your mind is, why use Instagram for marketing? Why not use something else? Well, Instagram is not just another social media platform. It's a marketing powerhouse. Here are some reasons, according to me, why Instagram is essential for any business. One is massive user base. See, with over 2 billion active users, Instagram is one of the largest social media platforms, providing access to a vast audience, vast. High engagement rates. Instagram users are highly engaged, with platform boasting some of the highest interaction rates per post compared to other social media sites. Next is visual storytelling. See, Instagram is a visually driven platform, making it ideal for businesses that want to showcase their products, services, or brand personality creatively. Then diverse content formats. From photos and videos to stories, reels, and IGTV, Instagram offers a range of content formats that cater to different marketing goals and audience preferences. Then you have advanced targeting options. See, Instagram's advertising platform allows businesses to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, and therefore making it easier to reach your ideal audience. Sorry. Now let's look at how is Instagram actually used for marketing. So Instagram offers various tools and features that businesses can use to market themselves effectively. Now let's explore some of the most popular ones. First is carousel posts. These are very popular. So carousel posts allow you to share up to 10 photos or videos in a single post. They are perfect for showcasing a range of products, sharing a step-by-step guide, or telling a more detailed story. Here's how you should use them effectively: to storytelling. So use the carousel format to take your audience through a narrative journey. Now this could be a before and after transformation, a behind the scenes look, or just a product tutorial. Then educational content. Share tips, how-to guides, or industry insights in a multi-slide format. Now this keeps users swiping and engaged. Then second is Instagram stories. See, Instagram stories are 24-hour ephemeral posts that appears at the top of users' feed. They are ideal for sharing daily updates, behind-the-scenes content, and time-sensitive promotions. Then you have interactive features. Use polls, questions, and quizzes to engage your audience and encourage interaction. Then behind-the-scenes content. So share what goes on behind the curtain. This builds trust and adds a personal touch to a brand. Then story highlights, and this I would say is very important. Story highlights allows you to keep your best stories permanently on your profile. These can be used to showcase evergreen content such as product tutorials, customer testimonials, or just brand awareness. Then you have organized content. Create themed highlights that make it easy for users to find the content that interests them most. Then showcase products or services. Use highlights to keep product demonstrations, launches, or tutorials accessible to new visitors. Then you have Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels are short, engaging videos that can last up to 90 seconds. They are Instagram's answer to TikTok and are great for creative content which is fun, entertaining, or informative. Trending music and hashtags. So you can use trending audio and relevant hashtags to increase the chances of your reels going viral. Then short tutorials or tips. So provide value to your audience with quick tips or tutorials that address their needs. Then you can use Instagram threads. See, threads are basically text-based posts that allow for more in-depth storytelling. This feature can be used to share detailed updates, opinions, or insights that go beyond the visual-first content of Instagram. Deep dives. So use threads to explore complex topics in detail, thereby provide valuable insights to your audience. Announcements and updates. So share news or updates that require more context than a simple photo or video can provide. Then you have the option of Instagram shopping and you can use it. So Instagram shopping basically allows businesses to set up an online store directly on Instagram. Users can browse products, view prices, and make purchases without leaving the app. Then you have product tags. Use product tags in your posts and stories to make it easy for users to shop directly from your content. Then you have shoppable content. So create engaging content that showcases your products in use, therefore encouraging viewers to click through and therefore purchase. Next is paid partnerships for influencer marketing campaigns. So see, influencer marketing is a powerful way to reach new audiences. So by partnering with influencers, businesses can leverage the influencer's audience and credibility to promote their products or services. Then you have authenticity. So choose influencers whose audience aligns with your target demographic and whose values match your brand. Next is track performance. So use Instagram's branded content tools to track the performance of influencer campaigns and optimize future collaborations. Next is collab post with other accounts. So collaboration posts allow you to team up with other accounts for joint posts. This is especially great for cross promotion and reaching new audiences. Then there are mutual benefits, so you can collaborate with brands or influencers that have a similar audience to yours but are actually not direct competitors. Then you have joint giveaways or challenges. So organize joint giveaways or challenges to boost engagement and reach. Then use sponsored posts with creators and influencers. So sponsored posts are another form of influencer marketing where you pay creators or influencers to promote your product on their Instagram feed or stories. Clear goals. So set clear objectives for your sponsored post, whether it's driving traffic, increasing sales, or boosting brand awareness. FTC compliance, and this is really important. So ensure that all sponsored posts comply with FTC guidelines and clearly disclose the partnership. Now, let's talk about how to create an Instagram business account, because this was theory till now. So to leverage Instagram for marketing, you will need to create an Instagram business account. So here's a quick guide. So first you need to download the Instagram app. So download and install the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then create a new account or switch to business. If you already have a personal account, you can switch to a business account in the settings. If not, create a new account and select business. Then complete your profile. So add a profile picture, bio, and link to your website. Make sure your bio is compelling and clearly communicates what your business does. Then connect to Facebook. So link your Instagram business account to your Facebook page to take advantage of cross-platform marketing tools. Now finally, the elephant in the room. How to create an Instagram marketing strategy. See, creating a successful Instagram marketing strategy involves planning, creativity, and consistency. It's a tough task, but here's how to do it. First is, you need to define your goals. What do you want to achieve with Instagram marketing? Whether it is increasing brand awareness, driving traffic, or boosting sales, having clear goals will guide your strategy. The second is know your audience. So you really need to understand who your audience is, what they like, how they use Instagram. This will help you create content that resonates with them and meets their needs. Then you need to create your Instagram content calendar. A calendar keeps you grounded. So plan your content ahead of time to ensure consistency and quality. A content calendar actually helps you schedule posts around key dates, events, and campaigns, ensuring a balanced mix of content types. Then publish content consistently. So consistency is key to maintaining engagement and growing your audience on Instagram. So stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your brand top of mind. Then social listening for Instagram marketing. It's very important to listen to your audience. So monitor conversations about your brand, competitors, and industry on Instagram. This helps you stay on top of trends, understand audience sentiment, and identify opportunities for engagement. See, finally, I would say Instagram is a dynamic platform that offers countless opportunities for businesses to connect with their audience and achieve their marketing goals. By staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices, you can create a powerful Instagram strategy that drives real results. Remember, the key to success on Instagram is not just about following trends, but also about creating authentic, engaging content that resonates with your audience. So start planning your Instagram content today and watch your business thrive on one of the world's most powerful social media platforms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to share it and follow us for more insights on social media marketing. Keep creating and stay ahead of the curve.